Protests over poor SOPDG work quality under Deopani constituency. Sinod Bay cremated with full honors by KSA Dilai unit. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansapi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. The local people Mukut Mohantas Deopani constituency had raised their voices over the poor condition road construction work under the SOPDG scheme. They had urged the contractor to do the work once again. The work was sanctioned in the 2019 to 2020 session. The work began, but poor quality of work infuriated the people. Just 3 days after completion of work, the upper layer of the black topping road could be easily removed with bare hands. Locals said that the contractor did not carry out the construction guidelines with regard to the construction of the road. Locals also added that the contractor had completely disregarded the words of MEC Mahanta, who had directed to carry out the work without compromising its quality. The road linking NH 39 and Bordega village had proven to be a complete failure of the engineer as well as the contractor.
Nang pilo choro palo stame la puding ha asai oi ki claim ben ke hino la si nilitum dak bodakar arong asor pendang lok lapu bornia area tum an ke la so ke chok tie posi nilitum la
Basta BCP ben first pawu glang palang ni yet pe ko phit pawu si non la pu thak bitu tu chalo la si twar hino la ba sin ba lam BJP sarkar lang plot pe lang contractor ke claim corruption si nang claim du dak ko no da twar sala nang claim ibe claim pa minai ko no ma ke ron pa ke arong tin pa tu ma la la si bang no mat corruption na thak ko la so contractor ba tu or nahi si rong ai ta chi vai
ante nang le toma rong pen la bang su ali li tom theklong lo la bang ka asai si tami mimi pin ante nang le tom pen bang non ako koson nang si ako kadiman ko don
labang ke litu mang nang chibra sinang puna mat embe chire so tawar bang ke la so chi hektar si BCP ban chu thurang po an si itu mang da tawar bang pakasi nang chibna thang nang si tu contractor phanta hang.
The good quality highways had not eased the communication problems of the rural villagers, as they need good road connecting their villages as well. As such, the serious lapses committed in the poor construction of this road needs to be rectified by the contractor. Shubhas Terang report from Langchiting for Karbi Anglong Live. The mortal remains of Sinod Bay was consigned in full public honor, led by the Karbi Students Association Dilai unit at local crematorium in Dilai on Friday. Sinod Bay was among the 2 victims who lost his life in a horrific accident in Rengbeng under the Nagaon district when the Bolero vehicle they were traveling were hit by a speeding truck which was driven on the wrong side. Meanwhile, KSA Central Executive Committee President Bijoy Bay, along with other leaders, visited his family and relatives to express his grief and condolences. Bay had been very active with the local students group and was the Assistant Secretary of the KSA Dilai branch until this tragedy took his life. The KSA flags were flown at half-mast at the head office in Dipu and in Dilai unit office as a gesture of respect to the departed members. Bijoy Rompis report from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. In a continued incident of man-elephant conflict in West Karbi Anglong, 1 person lost life on Friday morning. Here is the report. News has been pouring in daily about a havoc created every night by the wild jumbos. Unfortunately, the authority had failed to address the problem of the people, and early morning of Friday, 1 person named Ashok Rajbhor had lost his life. The tragic incident occurred at Ranima Basti under Khironi police station. Several numbers of the wild beasts stormed the area on Thursday night and created havoc, destroying good amount of sugarcane, wheat, and other cultivated crops in the field. In order to escape from the elephants, Rajbhor constructed a tree house. Unluckily, on Thursday night, he slept inside his IAY house. The elephants hit the walls of the house and the bricks fell on him, killing him on the spot. Meanwhile, locals have blamed the forest officials for the incident. They say that the forest personnel do not dare to chase the elephants even when crops are being destroyed before their own eyes.
আমার ইয়াত হাতিৰ জাক সোমাইছিলে 8টা মান বজাত তেতিয়াৰ পৰা গোটেই গাঁৱত মানে তেওঁলোকে গ্ৰুপ বিভক্ত হৈ পেলাই মানে উৎপাত চলাইছে ইয়াতো আহি পাইছে 40-50 জনৰ হাতী জাকে আহি পেলাই গোটেই ঘৰটো ঘেৰাও কৰিছে দেখো গৰু পাইছে ঘৰ ভাঙিছে নষ্ট কৰিছে এই মানুহজন মানে ওলাব পৰা নাই ঘৰৰ পৰা এই ঘৰত থাকোঁতে তাক মাৰি পেলাই গ'ল
মানুহটো কি নাম
মানুহটো অশোক ৰাজভৰ এই ৰাণাইমা গাঁৱৰে ল'ৰা হয় সি হাজিৰা তাজিৰা কৰি খোৱা ল'ৰা তাৰ তেনেকুৱা খা সম্পত্তিও নাই দুখীয়া ল'ৰা হয় আৰু তাৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীও আছে তাৰ ল'ৰা সৰু সৰু বাচ্চা আছিলে আম গছৰ ওপৰত উঠি পেলাই তেওঁলোকৰ প্ৰাণ ৰক্ষা পৰিছে আৰু ইটো মানে হাতীয়ে এনেকৈ ঘেৰাও কৰিছে ঘৰৰ পৰা ওলাব পৰা নাই গতিকে তেওঁক মানে হাতীয়ে মাৰি থৈ গ'ল
মানুহটো কিমানমান হ'ব বয়স
বয়সটো 32-33 মান হ'ব
হাতীটো কিমানমান আছে যা
ইয়াতো 40-50 জন মান আছিলে আৰু ওপৰতো আছিলে ফিচাৰীতো আছিলে ইফালে মাছ বস্তি ছাইডতো আছিলে মানে পুৰণা বস্তিও আছিলে জামপাথাৰতো আছিলে মানে গোটেই এৰিয়াটো মানে ঘেৰাও কৰি লয় 300-400 হাতীৰ জাক আহে গোটেই এৰিয়াত মানে ভাগ ভাগ হৈ পেলাই ক'ৰবাত 50টা ক'ৰবাত 40টা ক'ৰবাত 10টা ক'ৰবাত 5টা এটা দুটাও মানে ঘূৰি থাকে
এতিয়াও আছে নেকি
এতিয়াতো শুনিছোঁ আছে ইফালে ক'ৰবাত কুঁহিয়াৰবাৰীত মানে মানুহে সাহস নকৰে যাবলৈ কিন্তু য'ত মানে ঘৰ চৰ নাই কুঁহিয়াৰবাৰীত দিনত থাকে সন্ধিয়া হ'লে ওলাই যায়
ফৰেষ্টে একো নকৰে নেকি
ফৰেষ্টেতো কি কৰিব আৰু ফৰেষ্টেতো আহিলে কেতিয়াবা আহে মাতিলে আহিলেও ৰাইজৰ পিছে পিছে থাকে তেওঁলোকৰ ব্যৱস্থা নাই চৰকাৰে একো দিয়া নাই বুলি কয়
Mohan Teran report from Phelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. One person lost his life in a road accident on Thursday. The accident, which occurred early in the evening, took place at Dongmukak at around 8:30 p.m. Two friends were moving back home on a bike when they hit an LP truck in Dongmuka to Sarjang BOC along NH36 under Dongmuka police station. As per sources, the rider was not able to see the truck moving ahead due to excessive fog, which created problem. The rider had passed away while the other has been severely injured. The deceased victim had been identified as Raju Inti, while his companion had been identified as Dinesh Erang. Dinesh had been taken to Nagaon for treatment. It may be mentioned that early this week, two Karbi youths, Sinot Bay of Delight and Hundar Singh Hanse of Lorulangso, also lost their lives in an accident at Rengbeng on Tuesday. Samsung Inti report from Dongmuka for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.